Hello everybody. So today I will talk about accounting. The topic today is about inventory. So now I will show you how to answer. They want to find cost of goods sold and ending inventory for first in, first out, last in, first out, and average cost. So now I will show you how to answer. Before we calculate about this one, we need to find the total cost, because if we find about cost of goods sold, we can use about total cost minus cost of goods sold to find about ending inventory. Total cost, that is about the sum of the cost in here. So we have 23,000 plus 45,000 plus 23,200 and 38,400 equals to 129,600. So the first one we calculate about first in, first out. Because Chen sold about 2,800 units. So if we apply first in, first out, that means the first unit coming will go first. So the first one we have 1,000 that will sold out first. Later that another 1,800 will go second. So first in, first out just sold about this unit in here, because the total units is about 2,800. So cost of goods sold of first in, first out, that's about 1,000 multiplied by 23 plus 1,000. 1,800 multiplied by 25, and we have 68,000. Now we want to find ending inventory, so we use about total cost in here minus cost of goods sold, and we have 61,600. Question number 2, we use about last in, first out. That means the last unit coming to inventory that we sold out first. So we have 1,200 that we sold out first. Later that we have another 800, and because sum of them is about 2,000, so we use another 800 in here. So that's about the technique how to do last in, first out. Last in, that means this one will go first. Later that this one goes second, and remainder will go to the last one in here. So the cost of goods sold should be about 1,200 multiplied by 32, 800 multiplied by 29, and 800 multiplied by 25. We have 81,600, and ending inventory we have this number in here minus this number in here. So we have 48,000. The last one, that's about the average cost. To calculate about the average cost, we need to find about the average cost per unit. So we have the total cost in here. We divide total unit, so we have sum all 4 number in here. We calculate about this one. We have 27 US dollars per unit. So because we just saw about 2,800 units, so the total cost of goods sold, that should be about 2,800 multiplied by 27. So we have about 75,600, and we have ending inventory. That's about 54,000. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.